Welcome back. Today we're opening the quarterly box from Archer and Olive. This is the December quarterly and comes in this beautiful sage green box. They wrap it in plastic and put it in another box to ship it, so it's well protected. So it says, between the moments, something stirs. There is beauty in the quiet pause. It is the space where ideas take shape and small details come alive. This is a place for reflection, expression, and creative unfolding. Here, among river stones and sagebrush, inspiration flows as gently as still water. Step into the delicate space of nature's calm and see what begins to bloom. I did not watch spoilers on this box. I wanted to be totally surprised this time. So let's open it up and get started. I think I'm going to move this to the side and pull everything out. So first, here we have our spoiler card. Beautiful design on the front, and thinking that that may be the design of the box. A lot of times it has a design and your spoiler card kind of reflects that. So I'm going to set that off to the side. Then we have a washi and journaling sticker set. Beautiful packaging. So let's see how these look. Oh, and again, that design of the florals, the muted florals, very pretty. So I wonder if this is a washi sticker. Yeah, it has that lighter feel of washi. Oh, and here we have some journaling boxes. Very pretty. Here it says artisan paper assortment. Beautiful box it has come in. And again, keeping that same theme. Ooh, this is pretty. Very pretty. This is a very light texture, almost like washi tape type texture, except it's not a sticker. Oh, and this has a lot of texture to it, like a handmade paper, and this one has like an embossed texture to it. I don't know if it is showing up. It almost looks like a shell type pattern, but I think it's more like leaves. Again, another textured, feels like handmade paper. And again, the handmade texture. And then it starts over again, repeating. So we have 1, 2, so a total, I think, of 3 of those designs that just repeat. So if you're doing like a 2-page spread, you have papers that you can repeat the design on both sides for backgrounds. Or if you're making cards, you can make several with the same design in the background. Okay, here we have a box and it's decorative tapes. So let's see what we have here. Okay, it looks like we have 4. This first one is kind of a floral or greenery type. So it's almost like a winter background with how your greenery and stuff would look in the winter time. This one has like a blue floral. This is kind of a lacy look design. With little florals in the middle of the lace pieces. And finally we have a gold embossed type, gold foiling, greenery, vine type. So those are our washi tapes. Okay, here we have soft cover notebooks. Okay, that's something new. I've not seen those from them. I know they have some out right now, but I personally have not had any of them. So let's see what we have here. Love this box too. And this is the embossed type decoration that was on that one paper. So this is very soft feeling, kind of a vegan leather. Has again that floral covering. Okay, and then this is one of the notebooks. It is a lined notebook. Here's another one, keeping in theme. This one's dot grid. And oh, this is pretty. I love that green. And this is graph. And they have the loop in the middle of each of them, so they can be replaced if you use them up. Very nice. Okay, this is heavy, so I'm guessing it's one of our notebooks or journals. Again, very nice heavy box that protects your journal. Isn't that beautiful? Love that design. I'm wondering if they come out with this. I don't know if they will on their regular website, but I wonder if they'll have you the option of putting your name on them. So this is the standard dot grid that they do. Very beautiful. Here's the ampersand bookmark that they always have. And they always have two bookmarks, one with the ampersand and one just plain ribbon. And the pocket in the back. Very nice. Oh, and we have something small here, craft knife. So let's take a look at this. Oh, it's pretty. It looks like a pen. It doesn't pull apart. Oh, you have to screw it off. Oh, and it has a little craft knife in there. Very nice. You can keep this in your pen holder and be able to grab it when you need, but it's fairly safe because it has to screw apart, not just pull apart. So if you have small children, they won't be able to get into that. Very nice. And they gave us some duotone markers. These are water-based ink, non-toxic, round tip and fine liner. So let's see what we have. First one we have is Riverstone. I believe that's this one. Next we have Still Water, which is a light blue and a deep blue. They always send these stickers and you have to put them on. So when you take your pens out of the box, you want to be careful to keep them in the right order. It makes it easier to decipher which label goes where. This one is Sagebrush. Again, I like that sage green color. Next one is Weathered Wood. And we have two different colors of brown there. And last but not least, we have Desert Blooms. So this one is Desert Blooms. And this is the round tip side, and this is the fine liner side. So you definitely have a difference there. Next we have the River Stone. This is very light, which these round ones, if you like to highlight like every other link on your link, every other line, this would be good for doing that. So this is the still water. I know like some creators will turn their tombos on their side to do the every other line to highlight areas to journal and such. So you could do that with this. And this is called Sagebrush. So those, let's see. Oh, we have one more. This one is Weathered Wood. So one side definitely a lighter, more muted that you could use for highlighting, and then a fine liner to draw your lines. Very nice. So last but definitely not least, we have one more item. It feels like it's another journal. And again, this beautiful paper box. I love this. And it's the heavy duty box. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and it's got a nice soft feel to it. Almost like a suede type feel. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I'm sure the camera's not doing it justice because, yeah, that is just... Again, it's the dot grid. And our ribbons are a deep sagey green. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, the back pocket, the pen loop, very beautiful. So let me know, do you subscribe to Archer and Olive's quarterly boxes? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this box, and I will see you next time. Bye now.